My name is Vinsha and you're watching IELTS Anika. So today I'm back with another cue card, and the cue card is describe a mistake you have made. Which mistake it was, when did you made it, how you felt about it, and what did you learn? The sample answer is, well, human being is a mannequin of mistakes who willingly or unwillingly commits errors. I had also made numerous errors in my life for which I had to repent later. Here, I would like to talk about a blunder that I did when I was in higher secondary. Actually, I wasn't able to prepare for my pre-board exams due to my cousin's marriage. Hence, I did not do well in exams. So, when the result came out, I felt ashamed because I failed in science subject and didn't want to tell anyone about my result. So I did a trick in which I changed my marks from 32 to 82 to remain in good books of my parents. From inside, I knew that I was deceiving them, but my parents had a lot of faith in me, and as I was a bright child, to hide this thing, I had to tell so many lies. During those days, I was very restless and couldn't even sleep. When my teacher called my parents, I didn't even tell them. Few days later, I realized that it was a big mistake to hide the truth from my parents and changing the marks on report card. It was killing me from inside. Hence, I gathered all my courage and apologized to my parents by telling them the truth. Initially, they were very disturbed and annoyed for me, but later they forgave me after taking the promise that I will prepare well for my board exams. Finally, I took a sigh of relief and learned that for hiding one mistake, we have to speak a tissue of lies. So this was the sample answer, guys. Now coming on to the vocabulary, the first word is repent. Repent means to regret something, okay? किसी चीज को regret करना या किसी चीज का पछतावा होना, okay? The next word is deceive. Deceive का मतलब होता है trick करना people को, ठीक है? झूठ बोलना is called deceiving, okay? The next phrase is sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means you are relieved. जिसे बोलते हैं चैन की सांस लेना, ठीक है? हिंदी में चैन की सांस लेता है, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं उसको sigh of relief. The last phrase is tissue of lies. Tissue of lies means chain of lies. आपने बहुत सारे झूठ एक ही बार में बोल दिए, ठीक है, एक सच को छुपाने के लिए. That is called tissue of lies. Okay, so I hope you like my sample answers. Do like and subscribe if you like the video, and give a thumbs up, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.